Today is Saturday, 2 o'clock, June 23rd, 2018, and this is my Profit Engine progress update. I just finished watching for the second time and reviewing and taking a lot of notes of the kickoff presentation replay, and I learned a lot, and I was really inspired by the mindset story about, and I realized what my biggest roadblock is, which is paralysis by analysis, and also not having the blueprint to follow and the mentor to follow and to guide me. And I have found that in Gary and Rob, and of course the community. And my two biggest takeaways are, number one, it is to keep it so simple. KISS principle, keep it so simple. And really everything that I will learn and execute are in this two-page profit mind map that Gary and Rob went over. And the biggest takeaway I got from here is really to follow the three-step system. And do not deviate, don't be creative, don't reinvent the wheel, and keep it simple. So basically you do the three-way system, three-step system, using the 3-day process, and then doing the scaling after I found the winning ad, and then just scale it, and then follow this part. And the other big takeaway is really to follow the 3 keys to success, and that is massive action, use the pre-sale page, just emulate your copy, Gary's and Rob's, and then never give up too soon. So that's my takeaways for the first session, which is the kickoff session. And I'm committed to keeping it simple and also to follow the system to the letter, step by step. Thank you.